so yummy. Cow soup. Oh wow. Oh my god. Feel. Ooh, so yummy. Cow soup. Ooh. So yummy. Ooh. Wow. You hungry, you see? Oh, yummy food. Cooking at home. The cow soup. Wow. See? Oh. Make you hungry. Soup. You can make it with a dinner noodle. Oh, yummy food. Wow. Oh, see? This one too. Ooh, wow. Ooh, yummy. Wow. Ooh, wow. Yeah. Smells so good. So delicious. Yummy food. Wow. Make you hungry. Put the cheese. Spicy. Oh, chili. Ooh. Smells so good. Yummy food. Just so share to this because somehow the leg cow so big so that if I keep here for a bit add more. Okay. Wow. So yummy. Wow, see? Oh. Yeah, add the potato, carrot, tomato, so yummy, you see? And you can add the noodle. Oh, so yummy, make you hungry. Oh, see, wow, I'm so hungry when I see like that. We are done cooking soon and can eat. Smells so good. Wow. Smells so good. Oh, make you hungry. Yummy food. Hope everyone like it and test it at home if you didn't bought it on the street food. Just bought the leg cow from the street food and make soup by yourself at home. Wow, yummy food. Thank you for watching the video. Bye, good luck.